Welcome to Magic Stairway. Yesterday, my friend got some eggs from her farm. So I thought, why not do some science experiment with kids?
Easter's almost coming, so why don't we color some eggs?
Dyeing these eggs is really easy. All you need is some colored water and some vinegar.
Vinegar? Why do we need vinegar? I thought all we need is eggs and food coloring because we should dip the eggs in food coloring and they'll turn and the eggs will die.
That's a fantastic question. Do we really need vinegar? What is vinegar's role? For that, we'll do our science experiment and find out. Here, kids are going to do the science experiment. They will make an observation and they will record their result in this chart. And later on, they will say whether vinegar is really required in egg dyeing process or is it not that required. So let's get started. Grab your supplies and let's get started. I think kids are all ready with their supplies. Are you ready to do the experiment?
Yes. Yes. My mom hard-boiled the eggs because they won't break, but you can also use regular eggs for this experiment. So first, a half cup of water. So everybody has the equal amount of water. Let's now put food coloring. Ten drops. We already put colored water. Now let's talk about vinegar. No vinegar for me. 2 tablespoons for my sister. 1 tablespoon for Satya. Now, let's get started. Now we'll see we're putting some vinegar.
2.
Now let's drop the eggs very gently. Mine is just water with food coloring in it. Let's see how it looks. Okay. Really interesting.
So what did you guys observe?
So I observed that if you put less vinegar, it'll be lighter, but if you put more vinegar, it'll be darker.
Ammu, what do you see?
I observed that I added
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons of vinegar, and mine's even darker.
To fully understand the experiment, first we need to understand the property of egg, vinegar and food coloring. Once we understand the property of each of these items, then we'll see the chemistry behind this experiment. The detailed science explanation behind this experiment is mostly geared for bigger kids like 8th graders, 9th graders or even adults who wants to know the science behind this. Let's get started.
I am an egg. My shell is full of calcium. Outside my shell, I have a very thin layer called cuticle. It is full of proteins. My cuticle dissolves in acid. very positive person. I easily give my positive charge. All acids are like that. I am food coloring. I'm a negative person. I carry negative charge. I'm always attracted to positive energy. What happens when all three of us meet?
When the egg is placed in the acid solution, acid dissolves the protein cuticles of the egg. Because of this chemical reaction, egg will get a positive charge. So if you add more acid, egg will have more positive charge on its shell. We already know that food color or food dyes are negatively charged. Positive and negative always like each other. So the negative charge on the dye gets attached to the positive charge on the eggshell. That's how the egg gets its color. So greater the number of positive charge, the more the color sticks to the eggshell. What about water? Water is neutral. It means it neither is an acid nor a base. It neither has a positive charge nor a negative charge. Unlike acid, water doesn't give away any positive charge. Hence, less color on the eggshell. What if we dip the eggs in other acids? What if we dip the egg in an alkali or a base? Will it change the color? We'll find out only if we do the acids experiment. So, next we are going to dip eggs in 2 acids and 1 base. I am going to dip the eggs in citric acid, antacid or aspirin. For alkali, I am going to take baking soda. So we'll dip our eggs in all these 3 solutions and see if there is any color change. So first let's put lemon juice. I am putting 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. First let's take the lemon juice one. Okay.
And then mine.
Hey!
Green inside.
Green. It's really dark, right? So now whose turn is it?
Me.
Okay.
Me.
And this is really dark. Yeah, this is aspirin and this is lemon juice and this one is
Baking soda.
baking soda. It is the lightest. So we waited for 20 minutes and we got the result. We are done with our experiment. Let's ask it. So what is this one? What did we put? Lemon juice. What did we put in this one?
Baking soda.
Baking soda. And the color is much lighter. It is almost as if we put the egg in the plain water. It's not very bright. And what did we put in this one?
Mint.
Yeah, no, the antacids tablet or the Alka-Seltzer. So eggs dipped in both acids have a brighter color than dipped in base or alkali. Hope you liked our experiment and I hope you try this at home and do let us know at Magic Stairway. Follow us on Instagram and like us on Facebook. See you next week with another experiment. Until then, bye!